Today, on World Duchenne Awareness Day, we join children and young people with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, their families and communities to raise our voices for awareness, inclusion, and action. Duchenne muscular dystrophy affects muscular functioning and thereby impacts so many facets of a child's daily life. The challenges faced by children with Duchenne and their families are multifaceted, ranging from barriers to accessing education, health, and combating stigma. Children with Duchenne have the same rights as every child to education, to healthcare, to play, and to participate and live in the communities on an equal basis with others. And of course, the right to be heard. It is our collective responsibility as governments, as service providers, and as communities to make sure these rights are realized. At the same time, families remain at the heart of care. Everyday parents, siblings, and families provide critical support, love, and advocacy, navigating complex challenges so that children are able to participate and realize their potential. This year's theme, Family at the Heart of Care, resonates deeply with UNICEF's mission to protect and empower every child, especially those who are facing the greatest barriers. And that includes the more than 240 million children with disabilities globally, who are among the most marginalized. We work across the globe with partners, with governments, to ensure that children are able to go to school and learn. Teachers are trained. Healthcare system is able to provide inclusive quality care. Assistive technology is available, and children with disabilities are welcome in their communities. We advocate for policies and programs that remove barriers and provide opportunities and promote the dignity and respect of every child. World Duchenne Awareness Day is more than a recognition. It's about action. Action to challenge stereotypes, action to design environments and services that are inclusive and accessible for everyone. Action to ensure that having Duchenne does not mean exclusion, but opportunities. An inclusive world is not only essential, it is possible, and it begins with all of us. Thank you.